jungle! Ready to follow the maps through lots of dangerous traps? Roll the dice, crank the wheel, stay away from the giraffe's meal. Don't sit near the dangerous snake pit. Who will have the pleasure of getting the golden monkey treasure? Rumble in the Jungle by Tommy Games.
Rumble in the Jungle. Daring explorers race through the jungle, trying to be the first to send the golden monkey statue flying from its hiding place. To knock the explorers off track, the monkeys have set 7 treacherous traps. Suddenly, there's a rumble in the jungle. Let's set it up. Attach the plug-in rings to the game board. Now, you can attach the Wheel of Doom. First, attach the base to the game board, then attach the wheel to the base. Add the buckets, ensuring they're positioned correctly. The long palm tree attaches to the base, then you add the leaves. The seesaw goes right here. Now it's time to add the pagoda steps. And the pagoda tree attaches to the base like so. Now you can attach it to the steps, just like this. The bamboo chute legs connect together by twisting the ball joints, and then they clip into the board at these points. It should look something like this. Now you can fix the giraffe into position, but make sure the tail is upright like this. The rickety bridge goes into the board right here. Then the underside of the plank is connected to the top of the bamboo chute, and it should look something like this. The elephant pass can now be placed into position, and the elephant goes right here. Place the snake on top of the elephant pass. Simple! One monkey clip goes onto the Wheel of Doom, and the other hangs delicately from the palm tree, ready to fall onto the seesaw when a boulder shakes the leaves. Now you can lift the lid on the pagoda tree, push down the pillow, and place the monkey inside before closing the roof. Boulders should drop onto the hole like this. Jungle explorers, you're now ready to play Rumble in the Jungle. Practice turning the crank and testing the traps to ensure all parts are assembled correctly. Remember, it takes a skilled adventurer to successfully master the Wheel of Doom and the 7 treacherous traps. Rumble in the Jungle, the tumbling, stumbling, tropical trap game.